Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Today we are going to go over the most amazing problem-solving gadgets you will need. Make sure you watch until the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. Stainless steel odor absorber. Problem: your hands smell like onion. Solution: washing your hands with soap and water doesn't remove the smell of garlic and onion after topping spree. To remove unwanted scents from your hands, simply rub the bar between your hand like traditional soap under water for 30 seconds. Since the rub-away bar is made from stainless steel, you'll never need to replace it like you would a standard bar of soap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.